Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the AJIO app. Make sure camera permission is granted so scanning works. Tap the search field and look for the barcode or camera icon. This triggers the scanner. Position the barcode in the center of the viewfinder, keep the phone 6 to 12 inches away, and calm your hands. The app needs a steady frame to autofocus. Once the red guide or focus box appears, the scanner is ready to read the code and fetch product results. Once the scanner is active, align the barcode so all bars fit inside the frame. This helps the recognition algorithm parse it quickly. Make sure there is no glare or heavy shadow. If lighting is poor, tap flash to enable light or move to a brighter spot. If the scanner does not register, adjust angle slightly and retry. Sometimes switching cameras or bringing the phone a little closer resolves focus. The app then decodes the barcode and shows matching items or product details. After the scan, AJIO will display the detected product or suggest similar items. Verify size, color, and price before proceeding to add the item to your cart. If the app returns no match, try scanning a cleaner barcode or manually enter the SKU. Sometimes warn labels fail to decode. Make sure the camera lens is clean, and if scans repeatedly fail, close and reopen AJIO or reboot the phone. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.